poison dart frog, but I couldn't find a single blue fit. So I found this dress had feathers. I was like, okay, there's gotta be a brown bird in the rainforest. I found one, and it's the Philippine eagle. Woo! Yeah, and it's like fitting because I'm half Filipino.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
That's amazing.
Yeah!
I'm the vine system of the Amazon rainforest. I'm vines.
I love that.
Yeah.
She was gonna do the pink dolphin.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Find latex
She was
like
gonna
last
wear
minute.
pink latex.
But you know, I will say I repurposed the dress I've already worn before. I like tied ribbons here.
That's great.
Sustainable. Sustainable girl.
Yes.
I am the trees of the rainforest, a butterfly, 7,500 species. I did my research. And specifically, I like the blue morpho butterfly. This one's really great. What butterflies? You know, they have them all over the rainforest. So save the butterfly, save the rainforest, you know?